Most important thing is there is this edge to the desk here. This is the cover for a desk. It's also from Ikea, this metal one with the leather, but the leather was removed and it's rusted metal under it. And I wanted to cover this thing. So I think this is pretty good. Okay, so this is where the old mouse pad was. And I was usually keeping it here. And there's no need for this mouse pad anymore. Okay, so now this whole thing goes here. It's extensive. And the mouse goes here. I could even move it a little bit. I don't want to go over this edge here. Basically, all I wanted to do is to be all the way to the edge, to the normal edge. Okay, so this is the desk now. The mouse goes here. And I can bring the keyboard up. There is a bit of a flap here from this kind of thing. I don't know if I can remove this. Maybe I can. This turns into a disaster or no. Okay, so I have this flap from the mat. I could try to just lift it. There is some stitching there. Okay. 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 Okay, it's done. So this piece, I never used it. I think it's for paper, something for paper, and this mat is already ruined anyway. This stitching here, I shouldn't remove it. So I should be careful with the stitching. Not to remove the stitches there. So this part here, there is some glue. I think I want to remove this with the glue especially. I don't want to have glue on the mouse pad. Okay, so this part is the hardest part actually. I wanted to remove that. And now it can go over it. Okay. Keyboard, most important is this edge here should be just right. So it's not too far or not too close. Not sure if I can fix things anymore on this mouse pad here, but it feels good. And it's the same size. It's just a bit bigger than the old Ikea leather metal pad, but this feels much better to use. And it's an integrated mouse pad and the mat for the keyboard. I'm not sure how easy it is to clean this, but I can always buy a new one. This edge here might be a problem. It would have been nice if it was stitched, maybe in a new version. Hopefully Ikea will make a new version of this. Large, the same size, 40 by 90 is great, with the stitching on the edges. Oh yeah, smells pretty nice. This is the unboxing and installation of this desk mat, mouse pad, and it's basically a desk mat from Ikea. The mouse works perfectly. And if there is any problem, I could also still put another mouse pad on top of this. Maybe it's not such a great idea, but it is possible. And now I can move the keyboard left and right without issues, without this piece here. I think this turned out pretty good. Thanks for watching.